Mama wakwaba aha GC and page so midin de adwoa searching and any day the kan ya de ehweme a mesra na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia bell ne so ubenya notification and sa ne news de betum bia ubenye bieti anase ubenye bia hwe ewo GC and page ha Meek Mill American rapper na Meek Mill de nani echirem ewo Ghana hanom na Meek Mill ne Ghana hanom na obae no e de ensem bebre na aba na ensem a e de aba Ghana fo akasa ho akasa no ebi ni se Meek Mill de ne music video bi eba out na music video no eba out na e kire se okotwa video no ewo Flagstaff House a Jubilee House Ghana na yemfie kesim na video na eba out na ne Ghana fo akasa ho atwa bonanado na NPP aban ya asem keto akra na ora samejemfi a oye NDC omo communication officer national communication officer e de na adwenkyere aba na samejemfi adwenkyere o de ba na Ghana fo akere omo adwen akeke bia akere samejemfi no mo kire samejemfi ugina ho numi usa en usa ne de omo aka akere samejemfi sa ya onzi o se chese eti no kra Ghana fo kire wo samejemfi kasa wo kase ena Meek Mill ni video hu nsem a wo kenzi Ghana fuzi ye ne den ena wo kra wo ne hwan se wo betu his excellency na nado dan kwa Akufo-Addo fo se o mepe Ghana fo chew who are you o kasa dodo enti no yedi na NDC fo mo ka ensem a 2024 ye begina so ato aba ede amamo na ensem no emu enchiremuni enche bia ena American rapper Meek Mill eba Ghana hanom na oba Ghana hanom no oko parliament Jubilee House ekochia his excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo the first gentleman of the land na pictures be eba out Meek Mill and his excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne baba etwa picture one Nana do nanso etwa picture Meek Mill ni group no ba ko de ne nsa to Nana do nuko enu kwa na chese Ghana fo ebufu kesi ena fe so entare omo she de call parliament house wono ense emfata enye se sa atare no omo she de call parliament house ehun sem abetodwa na de ade a na de Ghana fo kasa wo hu bebre pa ye Meek Mill ni music video de about na music video no kotwa wo Flagstaff House a Ghana fo kire se enye ebi mo so kire se ye normal because American cry no omo White House wo wutumi ekotwa video ho no ma ebi mo so say no enye cry kamia kwaye say Flagstaff House wo no omo de ho adane entertainment hall a obi atimi kwaye ne ope ewo ho Ghana fo akere mo adwin bebre na ori asamejamfi a wo ye NDC national communication officer de ma NDC amayoku no eko Asempa FM obini program so na ho na asamejamfi kika na adwin ede etre his excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo say sa video na about na Ghana for ekasa no in show respect Meek Mill on video no obu ba kumpo nim kebe ya Nana embra out na ommepa Ghana for chill because kamia kwa yesa Nana no hardship na bagana chese ye bre ye sorry na ye show na de Ghana for kasa Nana na nemba do wanting you chese music video no de Flagstaff House ho adane na chese omde wa entertainment playing ground eno omu di agro ho enti samejamfi chese nkebe ya his excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo embra out no omepa Ghana for chew ewo video na aba out no na ewo sense mimu no yentie ensema samejamfi editu dwa no kakra
onwe no ho. This is the time you subject this country to such mockery and ridicule. It's so terrible. You see, the leadership of this country is so depraved. They don't even care about the times we are living in. And sometimes I get scared for the direction omodi or mine and I'm saying Joby, I condemnable.
What do you expect to happen?
Masa, senka o mampenye Akufo-Addo wo buo ni ndie magana fo a. I was senka by now. Ono ankasa. Ebia through Eugene Ahe.
Yes.
Ne kasa mafo. Or the krata aba bonte dia bepa o mine nyina achew. Ono ankasa. You accept responsibility. You take responsibility as a leader. Say bibi sa akoso because nobody any other na abrante anyum to ni no mama na kwa delete video na free ho. Omo ankasa hu say This was a diplomatic blunder. Way a enkodasem, a nimguasem, a ferry. There are many people who defend this government as
Inti na ate ensema Sammy Gyamfi e catch His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Na after Sammy Gyamfi ne comment about this whole issue no. Ghana fu bin said omo comment back e kan o madwen kire Sammy Gyamfi. Ne enti ensema Ghana fu bi e kan we e kire say Sammy, you are a useless guy. Who are you to tell the president to apologize? And I went so Emmanuel Addo Boateng and I said does NDC and their supporters respect the president? And I went so Frank Addo and I say what had changed about the NDC? We know them as the same old Doomsor party, nothing new. And I went so HSA Paul HSA, please Obi, the government don't really care about the people. They okay. Where our AY3KA and I just said this guy is dreaming Papo who will vote for NDC 2024. When say AY3KA and I just say in fact this guy called Sammy Gyamfi is most dangerous and useless guy pa. See him face. And I went so set and I just say Sammy save our years. Even White House visitors are allowed to take a tour. Jubilee House is people's house. Everybody is allowed. And I went so HSA, what is the essence of telling us repeatedly? Does NDC have any alternative? Obi, please ask critical questions. Abba. And I went so Emmanuel HSA, have NDC apologized to Ghanaians for misleading the Supreme Court? Stop hypocrisy. And I went so HSS Sammy Gyamfi, you can explain the whole video negatively to our ears. We do not care. In some way, and I Ghana Fubi, I can ede ache ura Sammy Gyamfi our communication and national communication officer dema NDC amayoko nisa Sammy leave Nana Addo alone because mo NDC for mo nsem fata say bi kura koso Ghana ha mo de mo ano ebetu
slaves econo Elmina Castle and I yanko league busompwe baby sa na wakotwa ne nwom ho na akowiase afa na nyina na obi ahun oh Ghana kura bibi say yeden e wo ho. That is what leaders who think deep, leaders are omo wadwen pa ma omo mind, that is what they would do. But where dey be dadaba adamfo nti wakochia wo mampanyi nti je se one ne namfofo akatafo na ene yes ada ne de ye seat of government no aye playground entertainment hall na ne McMillie ze McMilk ze McMillie onumpo na mama na ye se ene da Jay-Z ne ye Beyonce beba Ghana de ahia omo bekwa akoche cabinet meeting ana ye be match pass ama omo Independence Square ne je se omo ne namu a enkoretwa etwa omo pusei. Because I mean, me, I don't have anything against the musician because I know a man who quite. What you say?
Yeah.
And we are there. Ne o mampenyi ni wo hobby because clearly we are tari e no de ko hu o mampenya. And one of the twa enwom no sini ni wo ho no. So hu na che say o mu wi meeting na and o mu twa e o mampenyi Akufo-Addo director. Meaning say if now they want McMill to even feature President Akufo-Addo on a track or what? Because woman penny there, you are a busy person, the seat of government, and you want to be this agrono.
Baba, why don't you address the system into Oko presidency? The president is part of the system at the presidency in the protocol count, the national security establishment there, and all of that. And yet Obina is sleepy on his job.
Who
why
is the
do you
head
pin
of
it
that
down?
System now say nka ho asem no. Why na da no? Ubetimi aboa me. Presidency one na da no.
The president, of course.
No, the buck stops with him. The buck stop masa. Yesusu ano. Na wadanfo bi ba ofia. O papa ye strict pa. Wadanfo bi aba ofia ni hu aye fia makobobo no. Ubetumi afa wadanfo na ko wura o papa hall, de na kwa kwotena papa konwam. If you have respect for your father, you won't try that. A fear, discipline, and respect, dignity, decency, woman. A Caribbean you are, umbe pon school aba, na down for the nechi, no a fat, na down for the nako run a papa bedroom.